This is the wrong spark plug for this engine. This is supposed to have a CMR6H. This does not look like it would have overheated, so it possibly got straight gassed. There's a couple steps that I need to do here. Arrow points towards the exhaust. Beautiful. Get this oiled up in here. We gotta oil this guy. So we have to put the ring in on both sides, but you can only remove it from this side. And you use this guy to install it.
Where you at right now?
So you stick the ring on there first with the magnet, and then you stuff it down in there, and then you line this up and use this end to push the snap ring into the groove right there. Get this oiled up. Get this oiled up. Wrap it with this. Push this down. And there it is. It's seated down without any trouble. Now I just need to put the bolts in and torque the spec. "15 Newton meters, 133 pound-feet. No, that can't be right. 11 foot-pounds. goes on next as far as the stop. So I want to get that sensor in that hole right there. There it is, the gasket. This one takes the blue Loctite on those two screws. Now I need to do the Alright, so we got the air guide here and the generator bolts are in. It's loose, got to torque it down. The wiring's passed through. So we got this wire, short circuit wire installed now, and the wiring harness is in the guides right here. So we're getting there. So we are now testing the engine for leaks. I have the exhaust port blocked off. The impulse hose is plugged into the injection pump, and I have the flange on the intake manifold. Definitely holds vacuum. Got a little leak from the exhaust port.
Have a good lunch.
Alright, I gave the screws a little twist to tighten them, and it's holding pressure now. So the engine is airtight.
Engine 9 to 5.
Well, it's getting there. Well, it's the next day. It's got about 5 minutes of run time on it. It's hard to get a good picture of that. There it is. Well, anyway, that looks good. So, well, I think this is the last piece that I have to install. Goes behind this guy right here. Oh, I just finished the computer diagnostic. There it is. That is a man's chainsaw.